Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 3rd, 2024, and we have an exciting lineup of stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. As always, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Let's dive into today's news. Our first story today comes from the world of artificial intelligence. Researchers have developed a new AI model that can predict weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy. This model uses a combination of satellite data and machine learning algorithms to provide forecasts that are more reliable than traditional methods. This breakthrough could revolutionize how we prepare for and respond to extreme weather events. In automotive news, Tesla has announced a major update to its Autopilot system. The new version includes enhanced lane-keeping capabilities and improved obstacle detection. This update is part of Tesla's ongoing efforts to make its vehicles safer and more autonomous. Early testers have reported a noticeable improvement in the system's performance, making driving even more seamless and enjoyable. Switching gears to the tech industry, a new report highlights the growing trend of remote work and its impact on productivity. Companies are increasingly adopting hybrid work models, allowing employees to split their time between home and the office. The report suggests that this flexibility can lead to higher job satisfaction and better work-life balance, which in turn boosts productivity. In the realm of cybersecurity, a recent breach has exposed the personal data of millions of users from a popular social media platform. The breach was caused by a vulnerability in the platform's API, which hackers exploited to gain access to sensitive information. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of robust security measures in protecting user data. Lastly, let's talk about a fascinating development in the field of renewable energy. Scientists have created a new type of solar panel that is significantly more efficient than current models. These panels use a novel material that captures a broader spectrum of sunlight, converting more of it into electricity. This innovation could play a crucial role in reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating climate change. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the articles we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology, AI, and automotive advancements. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.